We have a Trane 3-ton unit with the bad compressor, 2-stage compressor, one of those Alliance scroll. And again, I'm not gonna blame the compressor this time because this is a 3-ton unit with a tiny little return. All right. Make sure when you're doing this, you're flowing nitrogen. You don't want to cause another issue. Plug up a TXV or the reversing valve, or just gotta be extra careful, boys. I want you guys to see this real quick. Many people always question whether or not you should put a new filter dryer. Well, that one's pretty obvious, right? You should. Whether you should change the capacitor, change the contactor, add a start kit. So let's check it out. Installing the replacement compressor. A new liquid dryer must be installed. Okay. The run capacitor should be replaced. There it is. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to, guys, if I'm going too fast. Number 6 right there is very cool. It's saying if your lights are dimming, go ahead and add a start kit. But with Alliance compressors, it is not necessary. Very cool. Then it gives you all the specs for the start kits. Very interesting. Always read these, guys. There's a lot of good information on there. Makes you a better technician, more knowledgeable. Now this is very interesting. Check this out, guys. Look at the size difference. That's the old one. Here's the new one. It's a 30. That one is a 30. It's just a lot smaller. I guess. So this is a 3-ton unit with a 12-inch flex return. To me, that's too small. I always do things like overkill just to be safe, so I would have put in here a 16-inch. And I know that's very hard because this is a manufactured home and the space is probably very limited underneath. But at that point, that you got to run multiple returns. You got to do maybe 2 12s or 3 10s or something. Just got to get creative to get the right static, because otherwise stuff like this happens. 9 years for the compressor to go bad, I think that's too soon. Was it static? Was it a small return? The compressors just suck nowadays. What do you think happened here? But it's running nice and quiet, so I like it. Testing the 2nd stage right now. Everything looks good. A little bit warm inside the house, so that suction is a little high, but that's fine. It'll come down. Alright, guys, until next time.